Record. There you go.
Wow.
As you can see, I like Godzilla.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is amazing.
This is my most favorite design of Godzilla. This is the 1962 version.
Yep.
King Kong versus Godzilla.
Yep.
To me, when I was growing up, that was Godzilla. Now, see it straight in the back?
Oh, did you see this
I
Godzilla
built it.
skeleton?
Oh, okay.
Okay, Robbie?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
Well, my wife goes, get rid of these pots and pans and cups and
Here's
bowls.
this photo.
Yeah.
Yes,
Hey. Welcome to my.
He's in a series of lessons.
You know, she sees junk. I seen Robbie the Robot. I think I can do something with that.
This is Robbie the
Now these are.
Robot.
Yeah, this is.
Is that more the?
Yeah, this is. Yeah, this is the 1950s.
Robbie the Robot is the robot all the way down at the end.
This is the.
Yeah,
90,
it's that robot.
84, 2002.
It's really interesting how much petrol is involved in the
Oh yeah.
because like the smiling one here,
Yeah.
and just like they start getting more like evil of you.
Yeah, yeah. And it did. We got to a point where it got a little, fun for the kids.
Yeah. I watched a little documentary like that. So
Yeah. It's got a lot of history.
it
A lot of
does. It
history.
really does.
Well, actually, this is the very first one I got when I was 8.
Oh yeah.
This is the Aurora model. You know, I painted that thing 100 times. So I refuse to grow up. I'm a big kid. And you see, well, see this? See my big one right there?
Yeah.
See?
Oh.
Now,
Oh, this.
yeah,
Oh
yeah,
wow.
yeah. You can walk by it.
Where'd you get that guy at?
Well, it was 2014, and my wife got it for my birthday.
Okay.
Yeah, and it come in 3 big boxes, so I had to put it together, painting, the
Oh, really?
9 yards. Yeah. Now this is the auction destroyer that killed Godzilla in the very first movie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, one of my friends built this for me. But Sensei, thank you so much for all you did with the family. I said, hey, thank you. Yeah, and it's actual size. It is the scale. So I'm sort of made the underwater version. It looks like underwater, and there he is, there's Godzilla there.
Yeah.
You know, and so. And actually, at nighttime, I got my little light here.
Oh, cool.
So I can put my light on. It looks pretty cool. Yeah, so I do that stuff. Yeah.
Which created that
Yeah,
monster.
like this is only there's only 100 in the world. This.
Oh really?
Yeah. So.
Dad,
I-
can you give me after I can see?
Yeah, you can see it. There you go.
Wow.
Yeah, this is 017 100. Yeah. Now this is a robot right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is it'll walk. Yeah.
Really?
Now this is my Robbie, guys. What do you think? Pretty cool, right?
Huge.
Huh?
It looks huge.
Yep.
Can it
So.
actually do things?
Yep. Oh well. Well, you see what he does?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, don't move, guys.
Yikes. Why are you doing that, Sensei?
What do you think? Is that pretty cool? He lights up. I put lights in him. Pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like he's gonna walk off there, right?
That'd be terrifying.
Yeah. Oh, that would be perfect. That would be exactly what I would want to have him walk off there.
It will break off.
Yeah, see, then I have like 9 different modes of lighting
Are
that I
they
can
LED?
smash the button. Yep. Pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you like that? Then I have to find my mode.
That one hurts my eyes.
You like that? Oh, he's firing at you. Yeah. Then I have off. Pretty cool, right?
Mm-hmm.
I've been working on it for the last 3 weeks. And actually, Robbie has the round legs, the round, but I couldn't find anything. But I went to the 100-yen store and found this, like the plastic,
Oh really?
yeah, candy jar.
Oh.
So I said, oh, that
okay.
looks pretty close.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
It's pretty close.
I couldn't even
Like this
I
is,
couldn't recognize it until you said it. I was like, oh okay.
yeah,
So
and
now-
these are like soup bowls. Yeah, bowls. This is a cup, and I just wrap some stuff around it. This is a popcorn bowl. And this is another big bowl.
Yeah.
So, like I said, I came to seeing junk. I seen Robbie the Robot. I said, I can Robbie the Robot 2.0 for
So,
this.
Yeah.
have you seen the
Yeah.
Godzilla step guy?
So I'm not done with him yet. I'm still putting lights in him, adjusting the lights. But,
Whoa, good look.
you guys like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Then of course you on this side, I got. Then you have the other aisle of Godzilla over here.
Do you have like
They're
a
like gigantic lobsters.
tracker of like everything that you have?
Oh gee, I need to do that.
Yeah, something.
Yeah,
You have
I
a
got
lot
some.
in here.
Yeah, I
How
got.
much money would it take for all of this stuff?
Yeah,
Who
it's
knows?
a couple bucks here.
One or two.
Yeah, some of these things is very rare, hard to find. Yeah. Now some of this stuff I hand sculpted here, like
Okay.
this, like this dinosaur here. I took a velociraptor and a T-Rex, and I sculpted this maybe 15 years ago. Yeah, so this actually has real fish teeth.
What?
Yeah. You know, my mother-in-law used to have a fish store, and I see these fish. I'm like, holy man, I said I could use that in my sculptures. And so it works out pretty good.
That's some serious teeth.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, and this guy was a bear to put together.
Yeah, I bet.
But you take him. I tell you what, the good old house, the house sealant.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, oh, it works great. The rubber sealant, and of course it's a little flexible, and it's been I have a couple friends who've made this, but they said, hey Ron, it normally falls after a couple years because it's so heavy, because they use the wrong type. They use super glue, and super glue gets old after a while and cracks. Yeah. You like this, guys?
Keep going, Christian.
Yeah.
Zoe.
You like that, Christian? Well, Christian, maybe you can start your own collection. Is that a good idea?
Yeah. Save your money.
Yeah, that's how it works. You buy one, get two. See, like this? I hand sculpted this Godzilla too. Yep.
Should like put it together just from scratch.
No, yeah, from wire. It's got wire, aluminum foil,
Oh,
and
really?
paper clay.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Also, real fish teeth. Yeah.
Fish teeth. It's crazy.
Yeah, yeah. You guys
It's
like
way
that?
too cool.
Very, very good. I'm glad you guys enjoyed it. Do you guys see the new movie,
What movie?
Kong versus